Hey, come on, now. Okay. What is that? Don't bring that face. Sorry. Baba. He's strong. You're blocking me. Please give us space, please. Please. Space. Sorry, give us space. Please, give way, please. Give way. Please. Okay. Wait. Give break. Bring others. Where others? Hey. No. You are right up. Wait. Move your head. Lift up them.
Let us so sorry, sir, about earlier. Oh, so sorry, sir. Okay, so you guys are just nobody should just go for, please.
Yeah, not too close.
Yeah.
At this stage, the trial have at the preliminary stage of the trial, and the concern of the legal team, is the freedom of our clients. So we've put in application for bail, and hope to argue it in the next adjourned date, which is 14th. Well, I wouldn't like to go into the issues that affect the life of the case at this stage. What we're concerned at this stage is securing the bail of our clients. And they pleading guilty or not guilty, that is left for them and their defense counsel. Well, that is for those who pleaded. My clients did not plead guilty. And as such, all I'm after now is securing the freedom of them via application for bail. Well, in law, you see, it's like in the discretion of the court. And we cannot predict what the mind of the court is at this stage. I was not a party to that application, so I cannot speak for the applicant. Myself, M.A. Magaji, Onoja, a very popular face. We have been led by Kano Agabi, SN, and we have Nolan Jimo, SN. And Ebut is here with us, SN.
That'll be fine. Thanks.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Don't detain us.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.